In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate image with your favorite actor, Google Gemini prompt. By the end, you'll know exactly how to use Google Gemini to combine your photo with a reference image of an actor in a single AI-generated frame, plus how to write a clear prompt that gets great results. Start by opening your browser and searching for Google Gemini. In the results, choose the official Google Gemini link. This ensures you're on the genuine app with the latest features. If you're prompted to continue in your browser or confirm your account, just follow the on-screen instructions so you land in the Gemini app interface. Once you're in Gemini, look for the plus icon next to the message box. This icon is where you attach inputs for the model. Click it to reveal your options. From there, select Upload Files. You'll be choosing two images, one of you and one of the actor as your reference. For best results, pick clear, well-lit images with faces visible and minimal motion blur. Always respect usage rights and privacy. Choose images you're allowed to use and keep the final creation respectful and non-misleading. With both images attached, click in the message box and write your prompt. Be specific about what you want. A simple, effective core instruction is create a single image that puts both people from the two images into one frame. Then add helpful details like the setting, mood, and style. For example, specify whether you want a studio portrait or a casual outdoor scene, what the lighting should look like, how the two people should be positioned, and what they should be wearing. The more precise you are, the less guesswork the model has to do, and the closer the output will match your vision. If you're unsure how to phrase it, you can even ask Gemini to craft the prompt for you. Upload the two images and say something like, please write a detailed prompt that puts both people from the two images into one frame, including composition, lighting, background, and camera style. Review Gemini's suggestion, tweak any details you care about, and then use that refined prompt. When you're happy with your wording, click Submit. Give Gemini a moment to generate, review the output carefully. If something's off, maybe the lighting feels wrong or the pose isn't quite right, adjust your prompt with clearer direction and resubmit. Iteration is normal and often the fastest way to a polished image. That's it. You've combined your photo and a reference actor image in one AI-generated frame using Google Gemini.